Okay.
Okay, go. Thank you. Bye.
All right. አሁን ልግባ እንትን ላይ
Yes, በቃ ስክሪን ሼር አድርጋል። ቀጥል።
ኦኬ እሺ ታንክ ዩ ዶክተር አሉ
ያ ቀጥል። በቃ እኔ እወጣለሁ። ቀጥል።
አሁን ስክሪኑ እየታያችሁ ነው አይደል?
ያ ይታያል።
ይታያል።
ኦኬ ተመስገን
አቤት
ሰናይ እንትን እያለች እየታያችሁ ነው። ታንክ ዩ ቨሪ ማች ጀስት አሁን የምንጀምረው ሞጁል 2 ነው። ጀስት ሞጁል 2 ጀስት ኢትስ ፎከስ ኦን ሴል ሪፕሮዳክሽን ሂውማን ባዮሎጂ ኤንድ ኢኮሎጂካል ኢንተራክሽን ነው። Before that, just my name is Negus. I am working in Bonga University, Ethiopia. Just Dr. Fikr Jesus have been inviting me to teach you respectively. So now we will start or begin this course or module 2, the cell reproduction, human biology and ecological interactions. So those have a massive content. Says the cell reproduction, human biology, and ecological interactions. Cell reproduction has its own function, structure, and characteristics. Plus, human biology has also very massive content rather than the others because it has its own types and content. Human biology can be also embedded in at least more than 10 system. You know, system is one of a process in human organ system. At least 11 systems are here. From the given 11 systems, 11 systems in human are at least 11 systems are available. From the given systems, just we will see at least 4 or 5 systems in this module, not including all systems in this module. This is a general knowledge, not focus on this module. እየተረዳችሁ ነው? Yes, ሲስተም በሰው ልጅ 11 ሲስተሞች አሉ። ከ11ዱ 4 ወይ 5 ነው። 11 ሲስተሞች አሉ። በይበልጥ ከፍ ያለ 11 12 እንደዛ እየተባለ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ድረስ ስትገቡ ሲስተሞቹ 11 ሲስተሞች ናቸው። ከነዛ ውስጥ ግን እነ ሪፕሮዳክቲቭ ሲስተም እና የመሳሰሉ እነ ሰርኩላቶሪ ሲስተም ነው እዚህ ሂውማን ባዮሎጂ ውስጥ የምናገኛቸው ስንማር ያኔ ስለምናያቸው ማለት ነው። ኢኮሎጂካል ኢንተራክሽን ecological interaction can be focused on the interaction of biota, like animals, plants, with their interaction or environment. So now this module has its own objectives or goals. After going through the 3 units and different section of modules, to the distance learner will be able to those list objectives, like outline the major stages or phase of cell cycle and cell division, plus distinguish different or divergent between the mitosis and meiosis. You know that both are very similar, very familiar or common cell division. They have their own process, their own procedure, and their own sequence. We will see all together one by one. Identify the structure of different system, like digestive system. Digestive system is one of a system in human. Breathing system is one of a system in that. circulatory system, lymphatic system, all those are systems in human biology or biological and functional process in human. The other one is describe the processes are the physiological performed by different or divergent system of the human, and explain or discuss some disorders, disorders or illnesses or diseases associated with different systems of the human body. At the end of these objectives, we will see or discuss about energy flow and cycling of nutrient in ecosystem. That means we can see the symbiotic relationship around the ecosystem, This is the overall or the entire objectives of this module, the overall or the total objectives of this module, not on specific. This is not specific. This is a general. ይሄን በደንብ ለመያዝ መሞከር አለብን. Just we will start unit 1 or chapter 1. So we will start in this, the cell reproduction. Cell reproduction of this unit has its own objective, like the remaining chapters. So here, at the end of this session, or at the end of this chapter or unit, you will be able to or capable to outline or show the series of events takes place in the cell cycle, identify or dismantle the two types of cell division, like the mitosis and meiosis, or meiotic and mitotic divisions. Compare and contrast mitosis and meiosis. That means what is the similarity and the difference between mitosis and meiosis. And we will also explain or elucidate the significance of cell division. At the end of this, this one recognize the occurrence of cancer cells. Cancer. What we mean by cancer? It is one of that diseases. That acute disease and chronic disease mean. Chronic disease and acute disease. So cancer disease or cancer by itself and cancer diseases have a difference. Yeah. Hello.
የሚገቡ ልጆች ስላሉ አድሚን እያደረክ ትችል
አድሚት እያደረኳቸው እሺ። ኦኬ
ሞክሩ ልጆች አሉ ለመግባት።
ኦኬ ተመስገን አይደል?
ትችል።
ኦኬ ታንክ ዩ ተመስገን። ሶ እንትን አድሚት እያደረኩ ነው፣ ችግር የለም ይገባሉ። በት አሁን ምንድነው ማየት ያለብን? cancer cell እና cancer disease have a difference. So we will see. This unit has its own contents. This unit includes the following two major contents organized in sections: cell cycle and what? Cell division. Yes? Cell cycle and cell division. We will see each individual contents or sections like cell cycle and cell division. Cell cycle has its own definition, its own characteristics, its own explanation, detailed explanation. We will see also the different stages of cell cycle. It has its own different status or stages of the cycle. We can see also the information of the cancer in this section. Cell, another cell division. Cell cycle is one of a section and cell division is one of a section in this unit. So at the end of this topic, just you will be able to tell the cause of cell division, and you can explain the importance of cell division in general. You can outline the pattern of mitotic and meiotic cell division, discuss the difference between mitosis and meiosis, indicate the importance of mitosis and meiosis. So this is just your concepts. After you learned this topic or this title, you can discuss those listed objectives. Those objectives are very important for the students. You can communicate with your partners, your classmates, to improve your goal and to understand what those mean as the objects of those this topic or the cell division. And the other one is አሁን እዚህ ስለ ሴል ሳይክል ነው የምናወራው። ስለ ሴል ሳይክል ነው የምናወራው። Before undertaking of the cell cycle, we should understand what cell mean, and we should understand what cell reproduction mean at all. So after this section, you can define the cell cycle, you can differentiate stage of cell cycle, and about collect information on cancer. So Dareje, Sanai, and Tamaskan, you can see this title, you can see this question: what is cell mean and what is cell reproduction mean? አሁን ስለ ሴል ሪፕሮዳክሽን ከማውራታችን በፊት፣ ስለ ሴል ሳይክል ከማውራታችን በፊት፣ ስለ ሴል ዲቪዥን ከማውራታችን በፊት መጀመሪያ ሴል ማለት ምን ማለት ነው የሚለውን አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ አለብን። So what is cell? You know that cell is
unit of life.
Yeah, the unit of what?
Life.
The unit of structure and function of life. Yes. This is the exact definition of the cell. But how cell is formed? አሁን ጥያቄ የሚሆነው ምንድነው? Cell is the unit structure and function of life ካለን before define the cell, before explain about the cell, how the cell is formed, እንዴት ነው ሴል ከምንድን ነው የተሰራው የሚለውን ማየት አለብን። ሴል ሪፕሮዳክሽን ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው ከማለታችን በፊት ሴል ማለት ምን ማለት ነው ፕላስ how cell is formed። እስኪ ማን ነው ትንሽ rehearse የሚያደርገው? Who can tell me? Who can try to define or that to give or offer the meaning of cell and how the cell is formed? እስኪ ማን ነው የሚሞክርልኝ? እንደ introductory part ነው። እስኪ this is a simple question, and this is also very mandatory question, but this is a simple and light question for a grade 10 student. Who can tell me? እስኪ የሚነግረኝ ማን ነው? Okay, before to define the cell, መጀመሪያ hierarchical organization of the organisms የሚባለውን ቶፒክ እናውቃለን ወይም concept አለ። hierarchical organization ለምሳሌ before the formation of the cell we can see the organelles, organ እና organelle ይለያያል። organelles ማለት just the combination result of what? Atoms and molecules. After the formation of the organelle, the cell is formed. So cell is a group of what?
Atoms.
Cell is a group of what?
Group of atoms.
Okay, good. Another student? organelle የተሰራው ከሴል ሳይሆን organelle ከአተሞች ከሞለኪውሎች ነው organelles ሊሰሩ የሚችሉት so after the formation of organelles after the formation of the organelles cell means the group of organelles nature ድምጽ ማነው are you with me
yes teacher
እኔ ጋር ናችሁ አይደል የሆነ ድምጽ ይሰማኛል okay so cell is a group of organelles nature after the formation of the organelles cell can be formed from the organelles organelles ማለት የአተም የሞለኪውል ግሩፖች ናቸው a group of organelles are also cell a group of cells are also tissues are you with me ከኔ ጋር ናችሁ
የሆነ ድምጽ ይረበሻል
አዎ ምንድነው ድምጽ ያለው ኢንካር ቲቪ ኦ2 ሚልና አለ ቲቪ 02 ኦኬ አሁን ድምጽ የጠፋ ይመስለኛል ይሰማል ሄሎ ሄሎ
ያ ቲቸር
ቲቸር
ትንሽ የኮኔክሽንም ሊያስቸግር ይችላል እንግዲህ ታገሱን
እሺ
okay so cell ማለት you know cell is a group of organelles cell is a group of organelles a group of cell is also tissue a group of tissue is also organ a group of organ is also system and a group of system is also organisms so this is indicates or shows the hierarchical organization of the organisms ከኔ ጋር ናችሁ አይደል so first cell is the basic unit of structure and function of life so what is cell reproduction mean how the cell reproduce itself we can see and what is reproduction mean just reproduction can be derived from the reproduce or reproduction can be produces or you know that derived from the reproduce means produce again itself so cell reproduction cell has a good potential to reproduce itself by using the DNA replication so the other one is also you know that cell is the basic unit of structure and function of life this is the answer of this question so what about cell cycle what is cell cycle you know that just we understood what cell mean and we understood what the cell reproduction mean so what is cell cycle what is cell cycle just cell cycle cycling you know rotating የሚያደርግ ማለት ነው እንግዲህ cell cycle can be derived from the reproduction reproduce ካደረገ produce again ለማለት ነው cycling ማለት ምን ማለት ነው reusing ማለት ነው ወይም rotate ያደርጋል ማለት ነው you know that the life cycle of any different kinds of microorganisms and macroorganisms even if we humans we have our cycling process so cell cycle is the sequence of stages or status through which what a cell passes from one cell division to the next cell division. This is what the cell cycle means in simple definition. This is simple definition of the cell cycle. But we can understand, we can see in detail what cell cycle mean and what are the stage of cell cycle. Here, you know that's the difference between multi-organisms and uni-organisms. Multi-organisms and unicellular organisms mean. What's the difference? What is the difference, Daraje? What is the difference? What's the difference between unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms?
Multicellular organism is more than two than one.
Yes, again.
Unicellular organism is only.
Yes.
Unicellular organism means one. Multicellular organism more than two.
Okay, multi, you know, uni means uni is indicates only one or a single cell ማለት ነው. You know that? Uni means one. Cellular means a cell, only one cell. Multicellular is not only two. Daraje, not only two. Multi means it indicates plenty in number of cells or many cells. What can I say means like, you know that multi means indicates, you know that many number of cells.
Many.
Yeah.
More
Many.
than two.
Two and many have a difference. You know, by di and by indicates a two. Multi is indicates different or many cells. Many cells. Understand? So multicellular organism, for instance, we humans, plants, animals, or macroorganisms are multicellular organisms, and unicellular organisms like bacteria, you know, and some number of fungus, and some of bacteria, almost all bacteria, but some of bacteria are not a unicellular organism. And almost all fungi are multicellular organisms, but some of fungi are unicellular organisms. This is best example of a multicellular organism. We humans, plants and animals are just best example of multicellular organisms. So the other one is which cell structure is mainly involved in cell reproduction. Before this lesson, I told you before what organelle mean. Organelles have their own types, like a nucleus, cell membrane, plasma membrane or cell membrane, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, and the chloroplast, cell wall. All those are types of organelles. You know, from those listed of organelles, which cell structure is mainly involved in the cell reproduction? This is the question. You know, ካሉት እነዚህ ቅድም የጠቀስኳቸው those are types of organelles. ከነዚህ organelles ውስጥ which cell structure is mainly involved in cell reproduction? Why? If we can mention one organelle, how this organelle can be involved in this cell reproduction? Am I clear? ግልጽ ነው? ጥያቄው which cell structure is mainly involved in cell reproduction ነው የሚለው ጀስት እኔ እንዳልኳቸው ኦርጋነሎች አሉ ከነዛ ኦርጋነልስ ውስጥ ደግሞ ሴል ሪፕሮዳክሽን ላይ ኢንቮልቭ ያደርጋሉ ከነዛ ውስጥ አንድ አለ ያ ማን ነው ለምንስ ኢንቮልቭ አደረገ ከሌሎቹ በተለየ why which cell structure the cell structures like nucleus cytoplasm mitochondria endoplasmic reticulum all those are organelles
it's nucleus cells
yes
nucleus cells
nucleus can you tell me your name
Muluken.
Yes Muluken okay thank you very much so the question of this answer is nucleus why nucleus can be or mainly involved in cell reproduction rather than the other types of organelles you know that you are right your response is really and exact answer but why and how this type of organelle can be or mainly involved in cell reproduction rather than the other types of organelles why lemon no
it's the house of the genetic and the DNA
okay good it's very good movement and participation in this lesson so the cell structure mainly involved in the cell reproduction is nucleus so why nucleus can be involved in cell production relatively rather than the other types of organelles because it controls the cell division you know what cell division means it controls or monitors or maintains the cell division like mitotic and meiotic cell division and contain the genetic material like DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid you know DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is one of the components of what genetics not on this DNA or the genetic information of material DNA not on the DNA but also others alleles gene and chromosomes are components of the genetics you know genetics is one of a terminology in biology so without those components without DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid or carrying of genetic instruction or information alleles and the gene plus chromosomes genetics is nothing so without those genetics nothing if we understand or if we consider as a terminology or a science so genetic material on the other hand we can say deoxyribonucleic acid which is very important or needed for reproduction so there are also very major phases of a cell cycle what are the main phases of a cell cycle do you have a module on your hand module እጃችሁ ላይ አለ
Yes.
okay just if you have the module on your hand just you can see the type or the phase of the cell cycle so here the cell cycle divided or categorized into two main phases like interphase and cell division phase both have a difference but they have their own relationships to improve or achieve what they have different critical activities so interphase is another mountain and cell division phase is another mountain. Just we can see and compare both phases or major phases of the cell cycle. So first we can see the interphase. After we discussed about interphases, just we can see and discuss about the cell division, okay? So before that, before the interphase, the cycle is a continuous process, you know, recycle, you know, cycle ስንል ምንድን ነው የሚያደርገው? ሮቴት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። you know, አንድ ሰው ምንድን ነው የሚደረገው? ይጸነሰናል። just fertilization is the combination result of egg cell and sperm cell, yeah? After fertilization just zygote ምናምን እያለ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? ልጅ ኢንፋንት ይፈጠራል። ከዛ ሲወለድ ቻይልድ ይሆናል፣ ያንግ ይሆናል፣ አዳልት ይሆናል፣ just one of the elder ይሆናል or old ይሆናል። ከዛ ዴይዝ ነው የሚሆነው። እንደገና ደግሞ የሰው ልጅ ይፈጠራል። እንደዚህ እያለ ሮቴት ያደርጋል ማለት። so there is a continuous process and doesn't pause after each phase, yeah? Continuous process and doesn't pause are the same meaning, you know? ምን ማለት ነው? continuous process ማለትና doesn't pause are the same in meaning conceptually ማለት ነው። so interphase is also the time interval between nuclear division. You know that the nuclear division, which is increase in mass. So interphase, like other types of the cell cycle, it has its own subphases, G1, S, and G2. G1 means what? The first gap, which is focused on the growth. And S, which is indicates DNA synthesis or synthesis of DNA. That means DNA synthesis means, on the other hand, DNA duplication. DNA duplication on the other hand, DNA of synthesize or synthesis. We can see, you know, that in detail. We can see about DNA replication, and we can see also how protein can be also formed. We can see the process of DNA replication to the RNA translation. We can see ወደፊት እናያለን። So the first one, G1 phase or first gap, it is the first stage of interphase rather than the DNA synthesis and the G2. G2 is growth and other preparation for mitosis. So during this stage or during G1 phase or first gap, cells are quite active metabolically. You know that metabolism means? What is metabolism? Salamon? Okay. So metabolism is the sum of, or the sum result, or the combination result of anabolism and catabolism processes. You know catabolism means, you know that anabolism, both have a difference, both are opposed, both are reversed in meaning functionally. Because catabolism, you know, I'm sorry, catabolism or cellular respiration on the other hand, catabolism, this is indicates or focus on the breakdown of glucoses into small, or it's break down the large molecule into a small piece of molecules. But anabolism or anabolic reaction or anabolic process can be focused on energy building. We are using the ATP, we are using the energy. It requires energy to build a large molecule, or it builds small molecules into large molecule. So both have a difference, whether in meaning or in function, whether functionally or in character. So metabolically sending, which is associated with what? Whether in nutrition or the activity of the food. And in this phase, they accumulate the building blocks of chromosomal DNA. You know that chromosomal DNA. You know that chromosome mean, and you know that DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid mean. And the associated proteins and store sufficient energy reserves complete the task of replicating each chromosome in the nucleus. So both are very important, protein and sufficient energy to reserve what? The task of replicating or duplicating each chromosome in the nucleus. Because you know that nucleus mean how much it has a good activity to replicate the cell reproduction, So the other one, or the second one, is S phase, or synthesis of DNA. You know, synthesis of DNA mean manufacturing of DNA. Synthesis mean, on the other hand, manufacturing or making of DNA, or forming of or establishing of DNA. It is the stage of deoxyribonucleic replication, or synthesis. The third one, G2 phase, or second gap. የምንለው ደግሞ G2 phase ነው. So this phase is focused on the growth and preparation for mitosis. This is the stage where the cell replenishes its energy. Replenish ምን ማለት ነው? Replenish, what we mean by replenish? It's energy store. Yes. Replenish ስንል ምን ማለት ነው? In this stage, in this phase, the stage where the cell replenish its energy and synthesize proteins necessary for chromosome manipulation and movement. What is replenish mean? Replenish means fill again, እንደገና መሙላት ማለት ነው። እንደገና ማምጣት፣ ሪሃቢሊቴት ማድረግ ማለት ነው። እንደገና ማገገም ኢነርጂ ነው። ግን fill again the energy and synthesize protein. Synthesizes proteins means manufactures or making protein via using relevant and critical process from DNA replication to RNA translation. Without the procedure, without the sequence of DNA replication and the translation of RNA, proteins have not enough potential opportunity to make or form the protein by itself and the types of the proteins. So if we need, or if it needs to form the protein, it starts from the DNA replication, or DNA replication or DNA duplication. After the replication or DNA duplication or replication of DNA, just DNA transcription can be also formed. DNA replication, replicated ይደረጋል. After replication of DNA, transcription of DNA is formed. After the formation of transcription of DNA, translation of DNA can be also formed. We are using its own types, like from messenger RNA to transfer RNA. Messenger RNA is very critical types of RNA because it encodes the molecules to the ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA can be also encodes and translates an appropriate sequence of amino acids. After that, or finally, transfer RNA can be also translate this an appropriate amino acid or an appropriate sequence of amino acid into another process. The another process is protein. So transfer RNA or RNAs, chromosome RNA is very important to form the protein. So chromosome is very important to form or build the protein. After the formation of the protein, we can see and we can check different kinds of proteins like histone. Histone is one type of protein. So histone can be formed after different kinds of process or different kinds of sequence and procedures. ስለዚህ protein form የሚሆነው DNA replication ይኖራል ከዛ ቀጥሎ DNA transcription ይኖራል ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ translation of RNA ያለ within translation RNA የመጀመሪያው ማን ነው የሚቀድመው ከDNA transcription ተቀብሎ ወደ ribosomal RNA encode ለማድረግ messenger RNA is very important and critical process ከዛ ደግሞ ምንድነው ከዛ በኋላ RNA እንትና ማን ነው ribosomal RNA ተቀብሎ ደግሞ በጣም ትክክለኛ የሆነ appropriate የሆነ amino acid or sequence amino acid ወደ transfer RNA type translate ያደርጋል ያ ተቀብሎ ደግሞ protein ይፈጥራል ማለት transfer messenger transfer RNA is very important to transfer this appropriate sequence of amino acid to form a protein like histone this is very important ግን ፕሮቲንን አሁን ፕሮቲን synthesizes protein necessary for chromosomal manipulated and movement ከማለታችን በፊት how protein can be formed ማለት አለብን አንድ ልጅ ተወልዶ ተንቀሳቀስ ተወለደ ከማለታችን በፊት ተወልዷን ግን ከማንና ከማን ነው የተወለደው እንዴት ተወለደ የሚል ጥያቄ መምጣት አለበት ከኔ ጋር ናችሁ አይደል አላችሁ hello
Yes.
okay ድምጻችሁ ጠፋብኝ ብዬ ነው እሺ so some cell organelles እያያችሁ ነው አይደል some cell organelles በቀይ ከለር ሼድ ያደረኳት yes
yeah
organelles እና organ difference አላቸው okay organelle ማለት ምን ብያለው a group of atoms and molecules ነው ብያለው a group of organelles are also cell ነው የምንለው a group of cell tissue ነው የምንለው a group of tissue organelle አለን a group of organ system a group of system organism እያልን ነው የምንሄደው so some cell organelles are duplicated during this stage what we mean by duplication ምን ማለት ነው duplication ማለት replication ማለት ነው replication ማለት copy itself ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ ደረጀ ማሞ ልጅ ወለደ ካልን ምን ማለት ነው ቀጥታ ዳይሬክት ኤግዛክት ደረጀ የሚባል ሰው ተወለደ ማለት አይደለም አይደል እንዴ ስለዚህ የደረጀ DNA ነው የደረጀ DNA ነው ኮፒ የሆነው so DNA duplication ማለት ወይም DNA replication ማለት copy itself ማለት ነው by using DNA ዘረመል ነው የደረጀ ዘረመል ስላለ ነው የደረጀ ልጅ ምንለው የተወለደው ልጅ so duplication or replication ማለት copy itself ማለት ነው okay so during this stage ጥያቄ ልጠይቅ ስለምችል ነው during G2 phase some cell organelles are duplicated during the G2 phase cells may continue growing during the G2 phase እንደውም ጥያቄ አለች some cell organelles are duplicated during the in which stage some cells organelles are duplicated የሚል ጥያቄ አለ choice ላይ ሞጁላችሁ ላይ አለ ራሱ so cells may continue growing during the G2 phase rather than the S phase and the G1 phase you know that G1 phase means focus on the growth and in this state they make the final preparation before entering the mitotic phase you know mitotic phase and meiotic phases and following the G2 phase of the interphase you know the interphase ምን ማለት እንደሆነ just just, or we have already understood what interface mean. So the cell division will continue. The cell division in turn includes those nuclear division and cytoplasmic division. That means karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Both have a difference, but they have their own contribution in this stage. Karyokinesis means, on the other hand, a division of nucleus ማለት ነው. Understand ያደረጋችሁ ነው? Karyokinesis means, karyokinesis means a division of nucleus. Cytokinesis is a division of cytoplasm. This is in short. But cytokinesis hasn't a chance or opportunity to form itself before karyokinesis, because after the division of karyokinesis, cytokinesis is formed. So የራሳቸው የሆነ ቅደም ተከተል አላቸው። እንዳትሳሳቱ። So karyokinesis is a division of nucleus, and the other one is a division of cytoplasm. Nuclear ሲላችሁ ሌላ ነገር አይታችሁ እንደ ሚራክል ነው ብላችሁ እንዳታስቡ። Nuclear division. Nuclear means it indicates a nucleus. So karyokinesis is also a division of nucleus, and the other one is a division of cytoplasm. So the cell division ultimately results into identical daughter cells, and each daughter cell grows and starts the cycle as mother cell again. አያቸው ያ reproduction የሚለው ነገር መጣ። again የሚል ማለት cell again reproduce again. Cell reproduction means reproduce the cell again, on the other hand. So daughter is one of a cell who is derived from her mother. You know, daughter means. And mother is the host cell. Mother, the host cell of the daughter cell. Mother is the parent. Mother is the old. Mother is the primary cell of the daughter cell. So each daughter cell grows and starts the cycle as a mother cell again. This is very important concept. You know, this, like, this is not a pie chart, but like a pie chart. እያያችሁ ነው ነጂቱ ከየት ነው የሚጀምረው? ስቴጁ ከየት እንጀምር? ይታያችኋል አይደል? ይታያችኋል? አዎ። ጂዋን ማለት ምን ማለት ነው ብያለሁ? ጂዋን ምን ማለት ነው? the first gap. The first gap ምን ላይ ነው ፎከስ የሚያደርገው? ከኔ ጋር ናችሁ አይደል? ኦኬ።
activity of metabolism
ጁዋን እንደዛ ነው የሚለው ጁዋን። ኦኬ። ጁዋን ምንድነው የሚያደርገው ብያለሁ? ምንድነው ምን ላይ ነው ፎከስ የሚያደርገው? which is focus on the growth, cell growth ላይ ፎከስ ያደርጋል ጁዋን። what about the cell? the S indicates what? S ምንድነው ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርገው? yes ደረጀ
manufacturing the cells.
Yeah, manufacturing of
or synthesizing the cell.
Yes, synthesizing or manufacturing of what? DNA. That's on the other hand, DNA is a cell. So G2 ምንድነው? G2 ምንድነው ብያችኋለሁ?
Growth and preparation.
Preparation for what? Mitosis. Right. Growth and preparation for what? For mitosis. Mitosis
yes. Means the cell.
Yes.
Division of the cell.
Yes, mitosis cell, a type of cell
also.
Yes, cell division. Mitosis is one of a cell division, but what is the G2? G2 is one of the second gap or a type of interface which is focused on the growth and preparation for mitosis. Mitosis also a cell division, you are right. So the end or the final process is mitosis in this interface. አሁን ኢንተርፌስ ላይ ነው እያወራን ያለ ነው። ኢንተርፌስ ላይ ነው። ማይቶሲስ የሚለውን መጨረሻ ላይ ነው። ሰው እዚህ ማየት እንችላለን። ጂ1 ምን ማለት ነው? just growth ላይ ነው ፎከስ የሚያደርገው። ኤስ ዲኤንኤ ሲንተሲስ ላይ ነው ፎከስ የሚያደርገው። ጂ2 focus on growth and preparation for mitosis. ኤም ማለት ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርገው mitosis. Mitosis is also one of a cell division. All right. እዚህ ላይ the difference between ጥያቄ ጠየቅኳችሁ እንትን ነው የምጠይቃቸው። የጠየቅኳችሁ ምንድነው? what is the difference between nuclear division and the cytoplasmic division? አሁን የሁለቱ ልዩነት በደንብ እንወቃቸው ነው። ኢንሾርት ነው። አሁን እኔ ኢንሾርት ዲፈረንሳቸውን አስቀምጣለሁ፣ እናንተ ደግሞ ኢን ዲቴይል ለማንበብ ትሞክራላችሁ ማለት ነው። ኒውክሊየር ዲቪዥን ምን ማለት እንደሆነ just nuclear division ምን ብያቸዋለሁ ቀደም? a division of what? a division of nucleus and a division of nucleus. Nuclear division is division of nucleus and it occurs first before what? Before cytokinesis. Before the cytokinesis, nuclear division can be occurs first and produce two identical nuclei. Because mitosis, our nuclei and daughter cell have a difference. Nuclei and daughter cell. You know the difference between meiosis and mitosis. Both have a difference ብለናል። mitosis ምን ማለት ነው? ምንድነው ፕሮዲዩስ የሚያደርገው? meiosis ምንድነው ፕሮዲዩስ የሚያደርገው? Even if their stage have a difference, meiosis and mitosis stages have a difference. Even if in chromosomal stage. And this nuclear division includes the stage of mitosis, like those listed: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Those have their own definition or conceptual meanings here. So prophase chromatin condense into chromosomes. ምንም አይነት እንትን የለም፣ የሆነ dismantling or breaking down የሚያደርገው ነገር የለም። ወይም ክሮሞዞማል መፍጠር ሳይሆን እንትን ነው፣ መርጅድ የሆነ ነው፣ ኮንደክስድ ነው rather than the metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Metaphase is also chromosome line up along the middle cell or the middle equator of cell. እኩል መሆን አለባቸው ከሴንተር በላይና ከሴንተር በታች። ከሴንተር በላይና ከሴንተር በታች ክሮሞዞም ታውቃላችሁ አይደል? የኤክስ ምልክት ያለው ማለት ነው። መሃል ላይ ሴንትሮመር ትባላለች፣ የሁለቱ የሚገናኙበት ክሮሞዞም ማለት ነው። ዋን ክሮሞዞም ምን ይፈጥራሉ? ሪሌሽንሺፕ ይፈጥራሉ። መሃል ላይ የሚገናኙበት መሃል ላይ ሴንትሮመር ነው። ከሴንተር በላይ እና ከሴንተር በታች if they are equal በሄይታቸው እኩል ከሆኑ ሜታ ነው የምንለው፣ ሜታፌዝ ነው የምንላቸው። አናፌዝ የምንለው ሲስተር ክሮማቲድ ሰፓሬት at the centromer ሲለያዩ ነው። ክሮማቲድ ሲስተር ክሮማቲድስ የተገናኙት ሲስተር ክሮማቲድ ናቸው። ሁለታቸው ሲለያዩ just we can say as anaphase of the stage of mitosis. telophase ማለት ግን ከሴንተር በላይ ምንም ነገር ከሌለ ምን ብለን እንጠራዋለን? ቴሎፌዝ እንለዋለን። so chromatin each reach opposite poles ናቸው ማለት ነው። ወይም ሊለያዩ ይችላሉ ወይም ሊቋረጥ ይችላል። just we can see the picture here. ፒክቸሩን እያያችሁት ነው አይደል? ፕሮፌዝ የሚለው እዩት፣ ኮንደንስድ ነው። በደንብ ክሊር አይደለም፣ በደንብ ተለይቶ አይታይም። ኢትስ ናት ክሊር ቱ ሲ ኦር ቱ አንደርስታንድ ክሊር አለን በጣም። ሜታፌዝ ላይ ስንሄድ ግን ክሮሞዞሞች ምን ሆነዋል ማለት ነው? ፔርድ ሆነዋል አይደለ እንዴ? just you can see from the center to the upper and from the center to the down እኩል ናቸው። ከሴንተር በላይ ያሉትና ከሴንተር በታች ያሉ ሄይታቸው እኩል ከሆነ ሜታፌዝ እንለዋለን። ሜታፌዝ እንላለን። እያያችሁ ነው አይደል? እዚህ ይሄ ምንም ኮንደንሰር ነው፣ በደንብ አይለይም። this is prophase። ፕሮ ማለት ቀድሞ የምናየው ነው፣ ቀድሞ የምናገኘው ነው፣ ኮንደንስድ የሆነ። so after the prophase comes the metaphase። ሜታፌዝ ማለት ደግሞ ክሮሞዞሞች ፔር ሆነው ስናገኛቸው ነው። ግን በስከላይ በጣም አጭር በስከታች የሆነ ረጅም ምናምን ነገር እንደዚህ ካየን just we can't say a metaphase። አናፌዝ የምንለው ደግሞ ያያችሁ ነው፣ ተለያይተዋል፣ ሰፓሬት ሆነዋል፣ ሰግሪጌት ሆነዋል። ስለዚህ አቀማመጣቸውም ኦፖዝ ናቸው። እያያችሁ ነው አይደል? ለምሳሌ ይሄኛውና ይሄኛው ተመሳሳይ ናቸው አይደል? ይሄኛውና ይሄኛው ደግሞ ተመሳሳይ ነው። ዳውን ላይ the down structure are the same in arrangementቸው። if we see in arrangement the downs are the same and the upper are the same, but the difference is ይሄና ይሄ ምንድናቸው? እያያችሁ ነው። ይሄና ይሄ ዲፈረንስ አላቸው አቀማመጣቸው። this and this have a difference in arrangement። ስለዚህ ኦፖዝ ናቸው ፕላስ ደግሞ ሰፓሬት ሆነዋል ማለት ነው። those are sister chromatid ሰፓሬት ሲሆኑ ምን ብለን እንጠራለን? አናፌዝ እንላለን። here is ምንድነው? አሁን እዚህ ደግሞ ቴሎፌዝ ማለት ተቆርጦ ያለቀ ነው። እነዚህ ተቆርጦ ያለቁ ናቸው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ደግሞ ምን እንላቸዋለን? ቴሎፌዝ እንላለን። after that we can see the cytokinesis። አሁን ምን ተፈጠረ? ፕሮፌዝ ተፈጠረ፣ ሜታፌዝ፣ አናፌዝ፣ ቴሎፌዝ ኦር እነዚህ ምንድናቸው? ታይፕስ ኦፍ ማይቶሲስ ናቸው። እነዚህ ከተፈጠሩ በኋላ ምንድነው? ሳይቶካይነሲስ ፎርም ይሆናል ማለት ነው። አያችሁ፣ ወደዚህ ፕሮሰስ ሄድን ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ ማን ተፈጠረ? division of nucleus አየን ማለት ነው። እነኚህ after the division of nucleus or after karyokinesis cytokinesis can be also formed። እንዳትሳሳቱ ጥያቄዎች ምናምን ሊመጡ ይችላሉ። karyokinesis ነው ቀድሞ መፈጠር ያለበት። that means division of nucleus። nucleus ምን ማለት እንደሆነ ቀደም አውርተናል። mainly involved in the cell reproduction ካለ nucleus ነው። just በዚህ መልክ ወይም በዚህ aid understand ብታደርጉት። this is very important procedure in the mitosis። cytoplasmic division here, that means division of cytoplasm or cytokinesis። kinesis የሚለው ምን ማለት ነው? ፕሮሰስ ነው የሚያሳየን። you know that ምንድነው እያሳየን ያለው? the process of cytoplasm ማለት ነው የሚያሳየን። the process of cytoplasm ማለት ነው። ነሲስ ሚል ለምሳሌ ጀነሲስ ካለ formation of gene ማለት ነው። formation of gene። so here cytokine division of the cytoplasm and occurs after what? karyokinesis። karyokinesis ምን ማለት ነው ብለናል? division of ምን ማለት ነው? ደበበ student ደበበ
Yes.
You know, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. What you mean by karyokinesis? ምን ያህል አንደርስታንድ ያደረጋችሁ እንደሆነ ለማወቅ ያህል ነውና እንደንትን እንዳታዩት ማለት ለማወቅ ስለሆነ ምናወራው።
The division.
Yes.
The division of nuclear.
Division of
Nuclear መሰለኝ።
nuclear nuclear of division and division of nucleus. Nuclear, it indicates nucleus. So occurs after a division of nucleus ማለት ነው እዚህ ላይ division of the cytoplasm ማለት which occurs after karyokinesis or after division of the nucleus ማለት ነው. So this cytoplasmic division or cytokinesis produces two separate daughter cells. ያኛው ምን ብለናል? ምንድነው እንትን የሚያደርገው ፕሮዲዩስ የሚያደርገው ምንድነው? እዚህ አውርተናል አይደል? እዚህ አውርተናል። ምንድነው? nuclear division of nucleus produces two identical ምን ብለናል? nuclei. Nuclei, it indicates a nucleus. እዚህኛው ደግሞ ምን ብለናል? produce two separate daughter cells. So yeah, this division that we can see in the animal cells and in plant cells. In animal cells, the cell pinches in with a cleavage furrow, and in plant cells, which focus on a cell platforms. This is the division. This is the characteristics. In short, or shortly, or precisely, this is the characteristics of the features of division of the cytoplasm or the cytokinesis. This is very important concepts. ሁለቱ በደንብ ለዩዋቸው ጥያቄ እዚህ ላይ ፎከስ ላደርግ ስለሚችል በደንብ ለማወቅ ሞክሩ። እስኪ what will happen if the cell cycle is not controlled? አሁን ሴል ሳይክልን ኮንትሮል ካልተደረገ የሚፈጠረው ነገር ምንድነው? እስኪ እስከዛው እሷን እንትን ለማለት ሞክሩ። እስኪ እዩዋት። what will happen if the cell cycle is not controlled? እስከዛው ዋል ተጣኒ እሺ የሞከራችሁ ነው አይደል? What is an integral controlling system that enables a cell to follow regular patterns? እስኪ ይሄን ጥያቄ እንትን ለማለት ሞክሩ። ተመስገን ኦኬ 14 ተማሪዎች አቴንድ ሆናችኋል። Okay.
It can be danger. Gonna make danger. Gonna make is the opposite of that we are heard. በጣም አደገኛ ይሆናል ማለት ነው።
Okay.
Control.
Good. ደረጀ ተመስገን።
Cell mindedness. ደረጀ.
Okay, ደረጀ. Good participation.
Cell mindedness ሲሆን ያ ኮንትሮል አልተደረገም ማለት ነው።
All right.
ሴሎች ይሞታሉ። ሴሎች ሊሞቱ ይችላሉ።
Okay, ሴሎች ዳሜጅ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። Good.
The cell divides uncontrolled, leading the formation of tumors and the cancer.
Okay, good. It's very good. Good movement here.
Uncontrolled division.
Uncontrolled division. Okay.
It can make cancer.
It can make cancer. This is probability, a probability disease. Okay.
ምናልባት ፋንክሽኑ ፑር ሊሆን ይችላል።
Okay, functionally, it will be a poor. Good. Good participation. Good participation. What is an integral controlling system that enables a cell to follow regular patterns? An integral controlling system ምንለው ማንን ነው? What is an integral controlling system? From the organelle, please don't forget the types of organelles. There are different kinds of organelles, yeah? I told you before, the type of organelles. What is an integral controlling system or monitoring system? That enables or compels a cell to follow what? Regular patterns. An integral controlling system, yes? Nucleus. Good. An integral controlling system ምንለው nucleus ነው። Nucleus. Good participation. በጣም ጥሩ ነው። ተመችታችሁኛል እውነት። በጣም ተመችታችሁኛል። So there is an integral controlling system that enables a cell to follow a regular pattern during the cell cycle in general and cell division in particular. So imagine what will happen in the human body if it doesn't such controlling system and such regulatory system. Controlling a regulatory system. You know the regulatory signal that maintain the system. And the danger is that the cells excessively divide. አያችሁ cell madness የሚመጣው ምንድነው? The cells excessively divide ሲሆኑ ነው, which may be called cell madness. It may be ማነው ደረጀ ነው ማነው ተመስገን cell madness ያመጣል ብለዋል። It may occur cell madness. You know, madness የሚፈጠረው የት ነው? Mentality or mentally disorder የሚፈጠር ምን ላይ ነው? madness ስንል ከምን ጋር አሶሺየት የሆነው? ማድ ምንድን ነው? ከብሬን አይደል? ከማይንድ ሴት ጋር አሶሺየት የሚያደርገው ማድ ምን ማለት ነው? What is madness?
Out of
What is madness? Madness.
Out of mind ማለት ነው።
Out of mind. Really? Out of mind. Out of mind. በሌላ አባባል እኮ demented ማለት ነው። ማበድ ብዙ ጊዜ ባንጠቀመው ይሄን ወርዱ ማበድ እብድ ምናምን የሚለው ሳይሆን መቀወስ out of mind ያለው ማለት ነው። demented እንደማለት ነው madness ማለት so a cell madness ይፈጠራል ማለት ነው if the cell cycle is not monitored, not controlled or not maintained. በጣም ለመቆጣጠር ማስችል ከሆነ it leads or it gives rise to cell madness. Cell madness, this is how cancer occurs as a result of failure, especially controlling cell division. So the cancer cells don't respond normally to the cell cycle because they divide in a regulated manner. You know, regulation ማለት ነው regulating system ብለናል ቀደም ስለ controlling system አውርተናል ስለ regulatory system አውርተናል so they divide in an regulated manner may invade other tissue of the body invade ይሄ ማውረር አላይን ማድረግ ወይም ይሄ መሰራጨት distribute in a good manner ሳይሆን in a bad manner invade ሊያደርግ ይችላል the tissue of the body. So the cancer can start when the controlling factors over the cell division. ቅድም ያልነው ነገር ይሄ ሴል ማድነስ የሚፈጠረው ምንድነው? ሴሎች ምን ሲሆኑ excessively ምን ሲሆኑ divide ሲሆኑ dismantled ሲሆኑ damaged ሲሆኑ ወይ ደግሞ በጣም disturbed ሲሆኑ even if there is the failure of cell growth on the other hand. So this is also, it occurs in the absence of growth factor and allowing the cell to divide continuously at very high density at the expense of other normal cell. You know that the normal cell and other failed cells, they have a difference. So the other one, what are a number of problems of cancer cells? A number of problems of cancer cells. Like those listed problems are associated with the cancer cells. They might not be able to communicate with healthy cells. They may not be able to or capable to carry out normal cell function. What is the difference between anatomy and physiology? What is the difference between anatomy cell and or cell anatomy and cell physiology? What is the difference? ከኔ ጋር ናቸው አይደል? ለምንድን ነው ምን ማለት ነው? ፊዚዮሎጂ ምን ማለት ነው? አናቶሚ ምን ማለት ነው? Anatomy ማለት what is anatomy? Anatomy is one of a terminology or a science which is focused on the structure of the body. Physiology is also one of like anatomy, which is a terminology or a science or branch of whether biology or science, which is focused on the function of different structure of the body. This is the difference between anatomy and physiology at all. So cell, normal cell function or normal cell physiology are the same conceptual. They may not securely anchor themselves like other cells do, which can make them more likely to travel somewhere and spread or distribute to other parts of the human body. The other one is section 2, the cell division. ከኔ ጋር ናችሁ አይደል? Hello? Okay. Section 1.2, cell division. ይሄ ቀጣይ የምንማረው ስለሚሆን just ቀጣይ ስለ about just you have an assignment or a reading assignment about the causes of cell division, about the significance of cell division in general, and about the goals or patterns of mitotic and meiotic cell division. And you can also differentiate the mitosis and meiosis, the difference. Even if possible, you can write, you can read the similarity between mitosis and meiosis, not on the versus, not on the difference, but also the similarity, if possible. If you have enough time to read and to understand in detail about mitosis and meiosis, you have an opportunity, you have a chance to read and incorporate the difference between meiosis and mitosis. And the other one is significance of mitosis and meiosis. Significances. So importance of mitosis. Like importance of cell division in general and importance of mitosis and meiosis in specific. In specific. In specific. As the intermarag in Chalalan. In specific. In specific. In specific. This is very important concepts. We will start those objectives regarding the cell division next time. So thank you very much for your attentive listening. Thank you, my students.
Thank you so much, teacher, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. You know, Andy, ጥያቄ ነበረኝ።
እሺ
ሲስተሙ የኤንኤል ሲስተም አለ ብለናል። አሁን ዳይጀስቲቭ ሲስተም፣ ሪፕሮዳክሽን ሲስተም እንደዛ አይነት አለ ብለናል። ሴልሱስ ምን አይነት ሴል ነው ያለው?
Yes.
In biological, how many types of cells are there?
Yes.
There is how many types of cells?
Just there are totally 11 systems. There are 11 systems. አሁን በ10ኛ ክፍል በእናንተ ስቴጅ ነው 4-5 እንደ ሳምፕል እየመጡ እንጂ 11 ሲስተሞች ነው ያሉት። 11 ሲስተሞች ማለት ሪፕሮዳክቲቭ ሲስተም በራሱ አለ። ዩሪነሪ ሲስተም ታውቃላችሁ። ዩሪነሪ ሲስተም ከእንትን ጋር ከሽንት ቱቦ ጋር ዩሪነሪ ሲስተም አለ። ዳይጀስቲቭ ሲስተም ቅድም ያየነው አለ። ነርቬስ ሲስተም አለ። Yes. ከኔ ጋር ናቸው።
ያ ገብቶኛል። እንደዛው ያ ገብቶኛል። ሴሉ ሲንስ ምን አይል ሴል አለ? ያው እንደዛ ሲስተሙ ኤንኤል ካለን አሁን እየተማረን ያለነው ሴል ስለሆነ how many types of cells አለ? 11 አይነት ሲስተም ካለ ሴሉ ሲንስ ምን አይል ሴል አለ?
እንዴ አሁን ሴል ስለ ሴል ስናወራ ማለት ነው። ሴል በሁለት ነገር ነው የምናየው። ለምሳሌ ቅድም ብያለሁ ኦርጋኒዝምስ በሁለት ነገር ነው ዩኒሴለር እና መልቲሴለር ኦርጋኒዝም ብለን እንከፍለዋለን ከሴል አንፃር ስናይ ማለት ነው። ከሴል አንፃር ስናይ ሴል ዲቪዥን አሁን ሴል ዲቪዥን ነው ያወራነው። ከሴል አንፃር ስናይ መልቲ እና ዩኒሴለር ብለን እንከፍላቸዋለን። መልቲሴለር ደግሞ እነዚህ ማክሮ ኦርጋኒዝምስ የምንላቸው ላይክ እንደ ፕላንትስ እንደ ሰው አኒማልስ የመሳሰሉ እነዚህ የምንላቸዋለን ብዙ ሴል ያላቸው ኦርጋኒዝሞች ብለን እንከፍላቸዋለን። እነዚህ ደግሞ only one single cell የምንላቸው ሴሎች ደግሞ አሉ ላይክ እንደ ባክቴሪያ የመሳሰሉ አሉ። ሴሎች ሲስተም ማለት አሁን ቅድም የጠራናቸው ሲስተሞች ናቸው። 11 ሲስተሞች የራሳቸው የሆነ ኦርጋን አላቸው፣ የራሳቸው የሆነ ስትራክቸር አላቸው፣ የራሳቸው የሆነ ካራክተሪስቲክስ አላቸው፣ የራሳቸው የሆነ ፋንክሽን አላቸው። ገብቶ አንደርስታንድ እያደረከኝ ነው አይደል? ግን ሁሉም የራሱ የሆነ ሴል አለው። ሁሉም ሲስተም የራሳቸው ሴሎች አሏቸው። ሴል ኢን ነምበር ነው ያለው። ሴል ስንል ሴል እኮ ራሱ በሌላ ተውት ሪፕሮዳክቲቭ ሲስተም ላይ ገብታችሁ ፊሜል ኤንድ ሜል ሪፕሮዳክቲቭ ሲስተም ነው ያለው አይደል? ከኔ ጋር ነው?
ይሰማል።
ሜል ኤንድ ፊሜል ሪፕሮዳክቲቭ ሴል ነው። አሁን የሜልና የፊሜል የሚለውን ተው ደግሞ ስፔሲፊክሊ ወደ እንትን ብንሄድ ሴል ራሱ ወደ ወንድ ብንሄድ ለምሳሌ አንድ ወንድ እንትን ጀስት ይሄ ሴክሹዋል ኢንተርኮርስ በሚያደርግበት ጊዜ ባንዴ ኢጃኩሌት የሚያደርገው ሴል ስንት ነው? ኢን ሚሊየንስ ነው። ቢያንስ ወደ 15 ሚሊዮን ሴሎች ነው ባንዴ ዲስትሪቢዩት የሚያደርገው ወደ ሴቷ ማህፀን። ሴል ማለት በብዙ ነገር ነው ዲፋይን የሚደረገው። ሰው ይሄን ያህል ሴል አለ ብለን ማለት አንችልም። ብዙና ትንሽ ብለን ነው ማለት የምንችለው። ሰው 11ዱም ሲስተም they have their own cells. blindly ይሄን ያህል ነው ማለት አንችልም ነው። ሴል በብዙ ነው የሚገለጸው። አንደርስታንድ አደረጋችሁ?
በእያንዳንዱ ሲስተም ላይ የራሱ የሆነ ሴሎች አሉ ማለት ነው።
አዎ
ገብቶኛል።
የስ የራሳቸው የሆነ ሴል አላቸው። ስፔሲፊክ እኮ ከአንድ ስፐርም ሴል እያልን ነው ፕሮዲስ የሚያደርገው 15 ሚሊዮን ከዛ ጽንስ የሚፈጥረው 1 ወይ 2 ሴሎች ናቸው። ሌላው ዋኝቶ ነው ወደ ውጭ የሚወጣው ወደ ኤንቫይሮንመንት። ገብቶን ሴል ስንል መልቲፕል የሆነ እንትን አለው ኮንሰፕት አለው። ሴሎች እያንዳንዱ ሲስተም ሴል አላቸው ማለት ነው። አንደርስታንድ አረከኝ? ያ ሲስተሞች የራሳቸው ስትራክቸር ፋንክሽን አላቸው። አናቶሚካል ስትራክቸር አለ፣ ፋንክሽናል እንትን አላቸው። ይሄ ምንድነው የሚባለው? ፊዚዮሎጂካል ፋንክሽን አላቸው፣ አናቶሚካል ስትራክቸር አላቸው፣ ካራክተሪስቲክስ አላቸው and ብላ ብላ ብዙ ነገር አላቸው። ሶ ሴል ስንል በጣም ሰፊ ለሁሉም ሴል ማለት ለሁሉም ቤዝ ነው። ቅድም ብለናል እኮ the basic unit of structure and function of any different microorganisms and macroorganisms. Life ስንል ማክሮም ነው የሚይዘው። አያ አንደርስታንድ አረከኝ አይደል?
አገኝቻለሁ።
Yes. Moreover, ደግሞ you can understand, you can read, you can incorporate different kinds of books and articles. ብዙ ካነበባችሁ ብዙ ከኔ በላይ ብዙ ነገር ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ።
ከትቼ
so ለዛሬ እንደዚህ ያው የመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ነው የተማርን ይመስለኛል። እንግዲህ በዚህ መልክ እንጓዛለን። ከዛ በተረፈ እኔ ሃይ እላችኋለሁ በእንትንም ቢሆን በሌጋል ዋትስአፕ የራሴ ሃይ እላችኋለሁ። የኔን ቁጥር ምናምን መያዝም ትችላላችሁ። ከዛ ጥያቄ አስተያየትም ካለ እንዴት መሄድ እንዳለብን እናንተ በተመቻችሁ እናንተ በሚመቻችሁ ብቻ ነው እኔ ማስተማር እኔ በምፈልገው አይደለም። እናንተ በሚመቻችሁ ንገሩኝ። በኔ በኩል በኔ አቅም ማድረግ የምችለውን ሁሉ አደርጋለሁ። ኮሜንት ደግሞ ትጽፉልኛላችሁ። ኮሜንቱን አይቼ አስተካክላለሁ። የመጀመሪያ ክላስ ነው አሁን የጀመርኩት። ይሄን ይመስላል። አስተያየታችሁ በጽሁፍ ማድረግም ትችላላችሁ።
ችግር የለም። በስልክ መስመር አስተያየት ካለን እንነግረዋለን። ችግር ጥሩ ነው።
Thank you very much. ሰላም እደሩልኝ።
እሺ see you next time. Thank you teacher.
See you.